Hello guys, today I will be filming my cat. This is my cat. Over here, her name's Angel, and she's right now on the chair. One sec guys, should I get a ball? Maybe I should, maybe she wants to do a ball. Okay guys, bye. See you maybe when I see you. Bye. Don't forget to comment if you really want to see my cat again. And she's just over here just chilling there. Bye.